You call me out upon the waters, past the lines I used to draw. Every doubt and every daughter, fear I carried starts to fall. When the wind begins to question, when the shore pulls at my chest, you are steady in the swelling. You are whispering, take one more step. I will call upon your name and keep my eyes above these waves. When the storms rise high, let my heart not hide in oceans deep. Teach me to stay. I will rest in what you say. You meet me standing on the shoreline, but you're weighing further out. Every comfort feels like a low tide. Every what if turns to shout. So I trade the map I'm holding for the hand that holds the sea. Every breath becomes a boldness, every step the trust in you. Teach me to stay. I will rest in what you say. Spirit, lead me where my feet get weak, where I need more grace than air to breathe, where the only ground is what you speak, where I fall and find I'm carried. Still lead me where my plans let go, where my simple yes is all I know, where the darkest waters start to glow. 'Cause your presence fills the valley. I will call upon your name and keep my eyes above these waves.